I didn't want to wake up today.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash like button, turn on post notifications. Today, we're doing probably 50 minutes to an hour of cardio. I have my alarm set for 5:37. I know, random time, but that's the time we set. And I didn't wake up. I let the snooze go. I snoozed the alarm like 3 times. Ended up waking up. What time did I wake up? Like 6 something? 6:05, something like that. Got to the gym. Wife ended up coming with me. My first appointment's at 9. It's 7:44 right now. And I'm at 35 minutes on the treadmill. And that's going to be the gym workout today's 50 minutes of cardio probably, so I can get out of here, get home, shower, get changed. All the guys is working out here. They're doing legs again. They're doing lunges and calf raises and all that stuff. I know their legs are burning, but I was, I'm really dragging today. I think I'm just really tired. I didn't go to bed till 1 last night. And the night before as well. So I'm super tired. But I'm gonna finish up this cardio, get home, change, get to the shop, show you guys some cuts. So stay tuned. Just got to the shop, turning everything on. As you can see, open sign should be turning on. There we go. Now it's on. Got the all the TVs on. Gonna play some music now, but y'all have to check out the drip. So we got on a Colorado Rockies jersey. We got the Nike shorts on. We have the Blurred World cap. I'll give you guys a closer look at that. But that is the drip that we're working with today. Try to scoot back so you can see the whole fit. You can barely see it. Here's the hat right here. It says Blurred World, which is a barber company from Rick Rebel. Go follow them. I'll leave an Instagram link below or on this so you can see it. But that is the hat. Has the Blurred World, or the Blurred series on the side. And then, hold on. And then for the feet skis, we got the white Nike socks with the camo purple foam posits. Let's get it. Just wrapped it up at work. We have the amps, the guitar, and my cords and all that back there. But I do have to go home and get my bass amp and my bass guitar. Then we're going to the park to set up, and we're gonna have this park concert tonight. It's a little toasty outside, so I think it'll cool down as time progresses this evening. But today, I didn't show it on camera, but I had one beef jerky. Jack Link's Jack Link's peppered jerky, 70 calories. And I'll put that somewhere on here so you can see that. That's all I had today. And I'm hungry. But we got stuff to do. We're busy. But on another note, I had got this jersey from my boss for my birthday. And at the time I couldn't fit it. And now your boy fits it. It's the little things. In my head, I don't see drastic, results, but I'm going to take what I can get. So this is what it is, and I'm going to take that because it matches with my foam posits today. So let's go home and get my bass guitar, my amp, my wife, the kids, and then go ahead and convoy over to the park. But we have the electric, the bass, electric amp, bass amp. Let's go party. got done with the concert, got everything inside the church. We're gonna have an outdoor concert tomorrow, so we just put everything kind of just nice and neat right by where we need it to be at, so we can get an easy setup tomorrow. I think tomorrow I'll probably do a time lapse of like how it all gets put together. I think that's pretty cool because but tonight came out well. We did 8 songs total, and you know, it was awesome. There's a lot of people out there really engaged, really tuned in, and that's what we want. So tomorrow, same thing, back at it. I don't know what we're playing tomorrow, but yeah, we're gonna get it all situated. Gonna go to my mom's right now, have dinner. She made hamburger helper. If you don't know what hamburger helper is, like the beef pasta, it'd be smacking, but I can't have it because it's carbs. We're trying to do the 20 grams of below carbs. So my wife is at Rudy's right now getting meat for us, and that's what we're gonna eat for dinner tonight. I apologize that this vlog is extremely short, not a lot into it. I just had a very busy day, very busy day. So I think again, I'm gonna combine Saturday and Sundays together, but today was slam packed with stuff. But it was great. I always enjoy busy days because, you know, when you're just, what do they say, idle hands are the devil's playground. I'm not saying that, you know, if I'm not doing nothing, bad stuff's gonna happen, but, you know, being productive as a person really does a lot for your character and just who you are as a person. You know, laziness is something that, you know, I've never really dealt with. You know, you may be thinking, oh, well, you're not even in the gym like that, blah, blah. That's a totally different story. I'm not a lazy person. I'm very productive with my time. Now, the gym just hasn't been incorporated for a long time into that, or diet. But I'm very productive. I utilize as much time as I possibly can. I was just telling my wife not too long ago, we were having a conversation, and I told her that, like, on my days off, when she's still sleeping and I'm laying there and she wants to like cuddle and stuff, that it's hard if I'm awake, because I'm awake there and she's sleeping, and I just feel in my head like, man, I need to do this, I need to do this, I need to do this. I don't know if it's just like a man thing or what, but it's just something that I feel is ingrained in me, that, you know, I have to be accomplishing something, and that's always been my goal. Maybe it's deeper than that, and maybe, you know, I do know I suffer with rejection issues, like, so like I feel like that rejection issue is kind of like a part of that, you know, having to do something all the time. I don't know. I'm getting way too deep right now, but let's find the root. That's the goal. Find the root to your growth. You know, find the root and you'll grow. So, but let's go eat. So we got brisket. I think we have like 10 ounces, and then we're gonna split a pound of turkey as well with some cheese. And I'll leave the calorie count somewhere in here for y'all to see. This is like 9 quarts of fried rice. We just got done with the men's breakfast, but I'm gonna show you the fit today. We got the Adidas windbreaker. We got the Adidas shorts with the reflective Easy 350s. Adidas socks. Just your typical black t-shirt. And then we got a White Sox hat with the patches. Oh, no patches. I lied. Patch on the inside. But that is the fit for the day. Let's get to work. I didn't know you were from the North Pole.
From the north side.
That haircut, icy. What's up, y'all? Just got done at work. Your boy got a little choppy chop. Nothing too major, something real slight. Got a little taper here. I did my goatee and did my eyebrows. Reason being is that I'm gonna wear a suit tomorrow, and I honestly don't think that wearing a suit looks good without actually grooming yourself and getting that all cleaned up. But gotta be to the church at 5 to start setting up the stage, sound check and all that. Then we start at 7 to play. Tomorrow we have a guest preacher coming in from another city. He has been a worldwide evangelist, so we're gonna have 2 services with that, and then we're gonna be doing a special song as far as the worship band is concerned. So that'll be a good time tomorrow. Monday, got stuff to do. Tuesday, have practice for the band that plays outside and stuff like that. And then Wednesday we have church. So a lot of music to be played, a lot of stuff going on. It's pretty toasty outside again. It's summer, so the summer I need to get used to it because we're going to Miami next week, and one of my clients just came back from Miami the other day, 3 days ago, and he said it's hot over there. Well, he's like, maybe not hot, humid, but I don't know. For me though, I like humidity. The dry heat is kind of like a lot more harsher to me, but you know, we're gonna be in Miami. You can't complain about nothing when you're in Miami. But I'm looking forward to our Miami trip. But that's gonna be in a couple, 5 days? 5 days from now. But let's go home for a little bit and then get to, what time is it right now? It is 3:53. So leave the house about 4:44, something like that. But I'm gonna get home. Say hello, YouTube. Say hello, YouTube. What you eating? Huh?
What?
Apples? Got to see the kids. Now I'm gonna go get some caffeine and head to the church. I need another Monster. I'm tired, I'm drained, but let's go. We're coming along here, getting it set up. Sound is all set up. The stage is all set up. We just need people, and we got snacks. We're at the grocery store right now because my wife made fajitas. So we had to come get some tortillas for the fajitas. What you got there?
Corn tortillas.
And flour, right?
Mm-hmm.
Corn and flour. Let's go eat. Got the goods? Say got the goods.
Got the goods.
All right, we're headed home. I totally forgot to mention that the concert went great. Sound was great. Everything went well, smooth. MC was on point. Testimonies that were given were great. You know, how God changed people's lives, and everything just went overall well. So I'm glad that everything went smoothly. You know, the speakers weren't acting up, soundboard was working right. All that plays a part. So I'm really glad that, you know, as we continually play together, that we are getting more and more chemistry as a band. So that's always good. But my wife made fajitas, like I said, so she made beef fajitas with bell peppers, onions. We got those corn tortillas from here that are 15 calories, 1 carb per tortilla. So I am going to eat that with what she made, and it looks good. She sent me a picture earlier, so that's where we're gonna head to now. And then I think I'm gonna close up the vlog after I give you guys the calories for the food that we have. So let's get home. And there's Spanish rice and fajitas. They look good. Can't wait to have some. Y'all get you a wife that can cook. She's not even Mexican. She took on some fajitas. So we about to eat that good food here. And I'm gonna have to calculate it. I'm not calculate it. I think I'm gonna calculate it for the next video, for the Sunday video, because this video needs to go up. Because we can't do 3 days in a row. We gotta do 2 days upload, and so on and so forth. But yeah, you have something to say?
Subscribe
To what?
to J Blends.
Subscribe to J Blends, and don't skip ads, and use my promo code at JBlends_ on tpopusa.com and thepissedoffbarber.com, and also go cop my signature clipper on Amazon as well. That'll be in a link below. But that'll do it for this video. Hey, what do you have to say to YouTube?
Subscribe. Don't subscribe.
Aw, that's messed up, bro. That pays for your toys.
He was hitting me earlier.
So if they don't subscribe, you don't get toys.
Subscribe. And poop and fart.
Stop. All right, y'all. I got one more person. She wants to say something. What do you say to the camera? What do you say to YouTube? Say, please subscribe to my dad's channel. Hurry. Ah, she don't want to talk. All right, y'all. But that'll do it for this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash like button, share, post notifications. Until next time, God bless.